Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to improve your battery life on your iPhone and improve your sound and also improve your sound quality in your iPhone. So to get started, head over to your setting menu, then search for privacy, then click on location service, then look for an app that is always written in front of their app name. So we have Access Mobile and we have Google Pay, which has always written in front of the app name. So to click on Access Mobile, then click on while using the app. Now the location service will only use while using your app, so it will not run on the background. So in that way you will save your battery juice. So for same way for Google Pay while using the app, now your battery life will be improved to certain amount. So to improve your sound quality, head over to accessibility, then look for audio and visual, then make sure it is turned on. So it will now boost your speaker on your piece as well as on your bottom speaker at same frequency. So you will see certain amount improvement in your speaker quality. So that's it guys, thank you so much.